Good morning children and welcome back to the class of SST. Today for our annual examinations we are going to revise the chapter our agriculture. Now beginning with this chapter, first I would like you all to know what is agriculture. Children, remember in India agriculture is one of the major occupation of more than 70% of people. You might have even seen nowadays on TV also, there is a lot of protest going on for the farm bill and the farmers are protesting against this bill. Now, see children, this farming, agriculture, it requires a lot of hard work. People they do continuous, means you can say they have sleepless nights also to take care of the crops and to take care of their farms. Now what happens, this farming, it is not a 1 day or 2 day job. It takes a long amount and a long time for the crop to get fertilized and for the crop to get harvested. Sowing, plowing and harvesting, these things they need quite hard work, quite a good amount of hard work, and the farmers they do that with sheer and with a true heart. Now what happens children, this agriculture, it needs some adequate conditions. Now what are these adequate conditions? One, proper supply of water. Second, proper climatic condition. Third, the proper fertilization of the soils, or you can say the proper fertilization of the crops, for which the soil should be very fertile. For in different places of our country you will find different crops are sown. Like if you go to West Bengal, you will find jute, rice. These things are easily available and are grown in quite good quantity. Why? Because the supply of water is very good, plus that weather that side is favorable for rice and jute. If you go towards Assam, Darjeeling, you will find their tea is grown. Why? Because of the adequate and the good amount of soil which is found there. Third, if you come to Rajasthan, you will find oil seeds, wheat, and even in Punjab side if you go, there also you will find wheat is grown, rice is grown, because of the proper soil which is found there. Now, it is not only soil children which is required for the cultivation. There are other things also which is required, like the cropping seasons. Every crop has a particular season in which they are sown and they are cultivated or they are harvested. First one is Rabi. As you know, wheat, peas, barley, mustard, these all are grown in the Rabi season. Okay. Next we have Kharif, in which rice, maize, millet, jute, etc. are grown. Next is Zaid. It is the smallest season, and in this the seasonal fruits and vegetables are grown. This was about the cropping seasons children, but the crops are also divided into two categories. One is food crop and one is cash crop. Food crop is the one which is grown for the consumption of the people themselves, but they are also sold in the market. They are also used for business purpose, but their major aim is to grow, for growing the food crops is to help the people and to satisfy their needs for consuming, for consumption of these crops. Now, what is cash crops? Cash crops are the crops which are grown for business purpose. Remember in mind, business purpose. In a country, when a good quantity of cash crop is grown, what happens? It is very helpful for the business and for the economy of that country. Now, these cash crops are even exported. The other countries they import, like coffee is there. Then you can see few examples are given on this page. Page number 92. in which you will find sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, jute, spices. Now, the spices, these are found in Kerala side. These spices are exported to the other countries. Coffee is grown for the main reason is for what? For business. Okay. This is the way how this crops are divided into two types, food crop and cash crop, and this is how they are serving the purpose. Next we have advancements in agriculture. See children, now what is advancements in agriculture? Means how the agriculture is getting advanced. Now earlier the people they were using bullock carts, even people they were doing lot of hard work for plowing their farms, their fields. But now slowly there are tractors, there are combines for harvesting the fields, for harvesting the crops. Even now there are field doctors who are coming and checking the soil and are helping the farmers that what they should use for their own field and what are the things which they can add to their soil for having a good crop or having a good amount of crop. And moreover, you can even see there are apps. The government is taking lot of steps to help the farmers. There are apps in their phones. Even loans are easily available for the farmers if they need any sort of loan for buying any machinery. The loans are there, the banks are there which are helping the farmers. This was all about the topic our agriculture. Children, still if you have any doubt, kindly ping me or you can call me, and I hope with the help of this video, and please refer to the previous videos which I have uploaded related to the chapter Our Agriculture. Thank you children, have a good day ahead.